Hi, this is Brothers and Sisters channel. The Institute for Creation Research scientists documented several clock-like processes in rocks during the groundbreaking radioisotopes and the age of the Earth project. Confirming an age of 6,000 years, remarkably they found helium, an atom that diffuses rapidly out of rocks and into the atmosphere. Trapped in granites and carbon present in deep diamonds and coal, which would not be possible if they were formed millions of years ago. Fossils containing rocks with original animal material are decisive evidence for young Earth. Researchers have uncovered biological molecules like proteins, DNA, and pigments from rocks that are supposedly millions of years old. The laboratory studies on many of these materials indicate that they will only survive thousands and not millions of years. DNA is particularly prone to decay, yet ancient fossil plants and bacteria, mammals, Neanderthals, and others have had short DNA sequences identified. Such remnant DNA should not be able to last more than 10,000 years. Just as finding the phrase cell phone in a reputably ancient stone inscription would have immediately identified it as fraud. Finding a ribosomal gene in bacteria supposedly 250 million years old causes deep suspicion of its assigned age. However, soft bone and other original biomaterials are continually being discovered. For example, some fossil material is actual collagen protein from the original animal. Since laboratory studies have consistently shown that even well-preserved collagen should turn to dust in 30,000 years, these fossils must be much younger than conventional dating indicates. One mummified, not fossilized, Hadrosaurus that was examined in the Discovery Channel special in September 2008 is not made of scattered collagen fibers, but whole tissues. In fact, the whole body are still intact. Dubbed Leonardo, its skin pattern and stomach contents are discernible and making it unquestionably one of the most unexpected and important findings. Important dinosaur discoveries of all time. But its startling preservation was only unexpected by those who believe that Leonardo is 77 million years old. The most striking examples of biomaterials that defy older thinking are ancient bones that even have blood cells. Dinosaur soft tissues have been reported since 1987. Why is it a great fact to point out that these dinosaurs had blood cells in them? Because blood cells vanish after some few thousand years, not millions of years. Mary Schweitzer found fresh T-Rex femurs in 1991 and 2000, and a Hadrosaurus femur with blood cells in 2009. She told scientists in 1993 it was exactly looking at a slice of modern bone, but of course I couldn't believe it. The bones, after all, are 65 million years old. How could blood cells survive that long? That's what she asked. How could the blood cells survive that long? By Mary Schweitzer. Some scientists rejected experimentally deprived knowledge of molecular decay rates, just as they can uphold the millions of years dogma. Thanks for watching. I'll be with you soon.